Solidarity forever.
Protest march by nurses from the University of Benin Teaching Hospital against alleged marginalization and inhuman treatment by Federal Ministry of Health. The protesters said they have been stagnated for years without promotion, and in most cases, when they are promoted, the Federal Ministry of Health do so without increase in their salaries, pointing out that poor funding of federal hospitals, a situation they say has led to poor health care for patients. The nurses from the Neuropsychiatric hospital, who also protested, appealed to the federal government to address the numerous challenges threatening the healthcare sector in the country.
It is only in Nigeria that a man is promoted since 2014 and his arrears are not paid. We are talking about building hundreds, 10,000 primary healthcare centers. The ones that we already have, what happens to them? Are there equipments to work? No. UBTH is surviving on diesel. Are there equipments to work? No. No equipment to work.
Those people who are supposed to care for the sick, they are even more sick by virtue of what the employers, I mean the federal government, is meting out on them. Because you need to be comfortable to be able to comfort another person. And when you are sick, you won't be able to take care of a sick person. But unfortunately, it is very, very clear that the entire nurses in Nigeria, they are all sick.
We are crying to the Federal Ministry of Health that they should do something. The indiscrimination in the ministry, we don't like it. Nurses have no voice. That is why they just use us as tool to test anything. You promote somebody today, the person has already gotten the promotion letter. Before the next 24 hours, you bring another letter to say you are now, demoted.
2 years ago, they on their own accord expunged teaching allowance for Conhe 7 and 8, which the National Income Salary and Wages has told us that they never removed. So this is a connivance between the Federal Ministry of Health and the IPs to do that. There is 2 years plus that our colleagues that are on Conhe 7 and 8 are not enjoying the teaching allowance.
The Chief Medical Director of Psychiatric Hospital, Uselu, Dr. Sunday Olotu, who addressed the protesters, assured a Federal Ministry of Health's prompt intervention.
I've listened to you and you've given me this report. I will forward it with a covering letter to the Minister of Health so that they can also look into what is your grievances.
The protest by nurses of all federal medical centers in Nigeria was peaceful. Wellington Akodeja reporting.